Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, easy veggie plough. The morning mise en place. I'm squishing the tofu. Just before the live prep. If you'd like to go to see the live prep, just go to the link. Here's just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Got the scrambled eggs ready. Got the oil heating up in the wok. I add the onions, the garlic, and the ginger and get a good saute. Then I add the carrots and the bell pepper and give it a good saute. The tofu and the serrano pepper, give it a good saute. And now the the peas and the corn. And then I add the spices and get it all mixed together. And I add the gray squash. And then I add the scrambled eggs. And I add the rice. Here it is, all mixed together. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.